The class of Foundations of Manufacturing is, the idea of it is to help students figure out what they want to do in their life. So we're going to do everything from aviation to welding to electronics, machining, drafting, just a little bit of everything to see if they're interested in one of those fields.
So in this class, we do a lot of hands-on work. We also learn skills to help us in our future.
Some of the things that we learn in the class, we actually build remote control airplanes. We build hydraulics and pneumatic cars, so water and air powered vehicles. We do machining, so we build little parts for maybe a chess piece or something like that.
A student would take this class if they're interested in really anything involving engineering or something, or if they're interested in going to Tulsa Tech one year, because it introduces you into all those things, and then it also helps you, because you're already in Tulsa Tech through this class, so it helps you learn more about Tulsa Tech and figure out what you want to do, and then that helps with your career. We divide into 6 different groups, and each of those groups go into either welding or machining or aviation, and we all just work on it different things at the same time. So right now I'm building this tiny house, but then one of my friends is building an airplane, a motor airplane.
The type of students I'm looking for is someone that can think on their own, who has a good work ethic, and shows up every day. So if someone's interested in taking the Foundations of Manufacturing class, what they'll have to do is they'll have to go through a application process with Mr. Etzel. He's in the career counselor's office, and he can tell you how to sign up for the class. It will help students with their future, picking a field that's going to make them lots of money, something that they love, something that they're going to get to do for the rest of their lives. But the most important thing about life is finding something that you love that you get paid for. And that's what I hope to do with this class, is help students find that.